Hello everybody, my name is Mr. Smart and I welcome you to classteacher.com. This website basically helps students to understand better concept of their studies, and this is in question and answer series by Class Teacher. So our today's question is basically a theoretical question with some numerics. So let's kick into today's question. Process time for a job are normally distributed with a mean of 50 minutes and standard deviation of 8 minutes. Construct a stimulation table and perform a stimulation for 10 new customers. Assume that when the stimulation begins, there is one job being processed and there is one job with 50-minute process time in queue. So the time interval we have is 0, 1, 2, 3, and probability is 0.23, 0.37, 0.28 and 0.1. So we have three options here, A, B, C in question 1 and question 2. So the requirements are what are the average time, what are the average processing time, and what is the maximum time in the system for 10 new jobs. How does the fact that jobs are normally distributed impact the solution, and can you kindly solve this in Excel sheet? So the Excel sheet answer is given in the third page, you can check it out. And the question 1a part is to calculate the average time for the queue of 10 new jobs. We need to keep track of the total waiting time for the 10 jobs and then divide by 10. We can use a random number generated in Excel to generate the random variable for the 10 new customers and then calculate the waiting time for each customer based on when the previous job was completed. So the question 1, the fact that the jobs are normally distributed impact the solution because normally distribution is a useful tool in a modeling job processing time. It allows us to calculate the probability of a job being completed in a certain amount of a time and provide a mean and standard deviation to understand the variability in process times. So to calculate the average, the second part is to calculate the average processing time of 10 jobs. We can use a random number generated in Excel to generate a random processing time for the 10 based jobs based on the mean and standard deviation. Then we can calculate the average processing time by summing all processing time divided by 10. To calculate the maximum time in the system for 10 new jobs, we can calculate the sum of waiting time and processing time of each job with the maximum value. So that's our today's question. Thank you for watching the video. If you have more questions to ask, you can go to the classteacher.com and there's an ask question section. You can fill out the form and ask any question you have into your mind. So if you have questions regarding this video, you can leave in the comment section and I'll teach you as early as I can. So thank you again for watching us. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel, and let us know if we can help you any further regarding your studies. Thank you very much again. Until next question.